Before we start, just make sure to preheat the oven at 200 Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit. In a mixer, beat together the butter, powdered sugar and regular sugar. Beat the ingredients together at medium speed, medium to high speed, with a paddle attachment until they are very well combined. If necessary, with a spatula, just scrape from the sides of the bowl. Next, swap the paddle to a whisk attachment and beat in the eggs, vanilla and salt. Continue beating until very smooth. Sift the flour with the baking powder and beat them into the mixture. Again, if necessary, use a spatula to scrape the sides of the bowl and the whisk. Don't forget to support us guys by clicking the like button, sharing and commenting down below. Next, divide the butter equally between two bowls and stir the cocoa powder into one using a spatula. Spoon the butter into separated pastry bags, snip off the points, and pipe alternate layers of chocolate and plain butter into the loaf pan of your choice, which was lined with baking parchment paper beforehand. Pipe all the butter until you finish the mixture, and after that, using the tip of a knife or a long wooden stick, marble the two mixtures together by making zigzag patterns. Bake for 15 minutes at 200 Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit, and then lower the temperature of the oven to 160 Celsius or 325 Fahrenheit and bake for additional 20 to 25 minutes. At the end, prick with a wooden stick to see if it comes out clean. If it comes out clean, your cake is ready. Just let it to cool down and it's ready for you to consume it. You can keep it in the fridge, very well cling filmed, or wrapped in a plastic bag or in a good plastic container for up to 1 week in the fridge, or in the freezer. You can store it for up to 1 month and have it ready whenever you need it. I just want to remind you that if you enjoyed this video guys and you want to share it with friends and family, this will be very helpful for us. It's very important for every small channel that you guys like, share and subscribe. We thank you for watching the whole video if you did. If not, we hope to improve in the future so we can have better and greater content. Let us know in the comments what you want to see next and what we should improve.